Hi everyone. I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds like it's raining, but it's not raining. There's a lot of water that's just flowing right through our parking lot. You can see these guys over here. Apparently, we've had a lot of storms here in Raleigh lately. Not as bad as the people up in Maryland and DC, but we've lost power, and apparently these guys are digging up some power lines, and apparently they burst the water line. So this is what's going on in my parking lot right now. I'm glad my car isn't parked over there. I think you can see that. All the brown water. It's just, look at it. You can hear it just rushing. I'm gonna get you close up there. You see it just rushing around the tires there. And I'm sure you can hear that. It's in full swing right here. But, alright, you can see that's coming down the hill there. And this would be my normal path. I was really just going to get something to eat, and I saw this. And I said, I just got to get this on film. But just look at this. It's just, apparently the water lines are just flowing open. And making quite a river here. I mean, look at this. There's no stopping it. It's just... Look at this guy's truck. I mean, this is just crazy. We just have to open the river here. And I'm going to follow it up to the source. And just look at this. We just got a huge brook just running down here. Doesn't look like they can really control what's going on. And it's almost like we got the rapids going.
Oh, is that what you mean?
Yeah. You can just see it's flowing. Apparently there's a burst water line right there, and it's just flooding into our apartment complex. So I don't know how long this is going to last, but yeah, here's the main source of it right there. Let's check it out. Oh, it's even flowing into this other parking lot. It's going crazy here. So yeah, just check that out. Kind of crazy. Yeah, I'll get back. See, that guy's not too happy about me filming this whole thing. So you can see it's just... And there's a fire hose set up there as a hydrant. I don't know if you can make that out. There's another guy digging over there. Now that I think about it, there's been water in the street the last couple of days. And we've got it all blocked off. They apparently made a major mistake. And they weren't happy about me filming that. That's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching.